When you network, and you should network all the time in your career, not just when you're in career transition, you need to have a business card separate from your corporate business card, more like a personal business card. It's your personal brand, it's part of your personal brand. You need to have this card. I have my cards in front of me, all 4 businesses. They are very colorful, they are very striking. That's part of the enticement to lure people in to make them want to chat with me. I am very particular on the type of card. It has to be thick card. Don't go to one of these printers where it's very, very thin, or run it through on your printer, because what I do when I go networking, I run my finger along the line, and if you've got that checkered serrated edge, that doesn't tell me too much about you. Spend a little bit extra. It's all about your brand and your value. The value to this card, my Elite Resume card, is very high. I have my cards designed both sides. It's very little extra to have a print on both sides. All my cards are exactly the same. You need to have a message, a brand that people can remember. I go the extra mile as well because I want to make myself stand out, just like I make all my clients stand out. And so I've rounded the edges on all my business cards. That is unusual, but I'm unique and I want you to be unusual. I want to market you as a unique person. Your brand is very special to your future employer or anybody else you meet. So when you design a networking card, make sure that it's color sensitive, have 2 different colors, make sure that it's good card, print on both sides, and make yourself stand out. Go that little bit extra. Just a few dollars or a few pounds or a few euros more is well worth the value. So think about when you're designing your cards, think about going the extra mile in the graphics and the presentation. Presentations count. Do you have a good business card? Do you make yourself stand out from the rest? You should do, because you're in a competition when you enter a job search and throughout your whole career management. I can help you manage your career. My name is Martin Buckland, and my company is Elite Resumes. Give me a call or email me at martin@aneliteresume.com.